The first part of this sequence will be a stretch for the lats and triceps. You can look back to session 1 to see our formal lat and tri stretch, or you can try either of the two versions here. Put your elbow on the floor, place your hand on your shoulder, and drive your chest back and towards the ground. You can also try this with straight arms. Walk your hands across, drop your chest down, and reach forward and through. Feel free to search around a little bit with this version. Pulse up and down and left to right, trying to find that tension. The second part of this series is PVC or broomstick pass-throughs done on the floor. Put yourself in a handstand bodyline position. Legs are together, squeeze tight. Butt is squeezed tight. Ribs are slightly pulled down to open up a little space underneath your hips. Grip as wide as you need to keep your arms straight. Touch the floor, touch your back, and repeat. For your second and third set, we want to add some weight to the pipe. 1 or 2 kilos, 2 to 5 pounds at most. The addition of the weight does a few things for us. It increases engagement through the shoulder, as well as provides feedback on if you have any asymmetry. If the weight is sliding side to side, your shoulders are not moving together. Our third movement is called the German hang. I'm going to show you 3 versions, starting with a full skin the cat into the hang. This move takes a not inconsiderable amount of mobility and strength through the shoulder, so please don't try this one without a coach there to spot you. This position and stretch is accessible to anyone by placing a pair of rings or a bar in a rack at about chest height. Grip the bar with your palms facing forward and slowly squat yourself underneath, trying to bring your center of mass under the bar. Keep your arms straight and your eyes looking to the horizon. If you're working at home without a rack or rings, you can grab the back of a chair, squat down, and still get a similar stretch. Be gentle with this one, just meet the stretch and don't try to blast through it.